Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting a medium-weight scarf and putting on a fitted undercap. This gives structure and prevents slipping. Once done, fold the scarf to your preferred width and place it over your head with one side longer. Make sure the shorter side is pinned at the chin to create a stable anchor point. You will now bring the long side across the back. This first anchor lets you manage fabric tension, so later layers sit neat and smooth. You now form the Gemini style by looping the long side over one shoulder and bringing it under the chin so it crosses the front. Next, fold the remaining fabric to mirror that angle on the other side. Think of two symmetrical wings meeting at the center. Once aligned, secure both mirrored points with two small pins. This holds the twin folds. Make sure to keep even tension on both sides so the folds look balanced and the face frame remains clean. To finish, tidy excess fabric by tucking it at the nape or letting a soft drape fall over one shoulder for elegance. Secure the center overlap with a long decorative pin, but avoid forcing it through too many layers, which causes bulk. If the style slips during wear, check the undercap position and add discreet silicone grips or adjust pins at the hairline. These small fixes restore grip without changing the look. Practice once more to refine tension and balance until it feels secure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.